Discover Italy top destinations you can't miss. Italy. Just the name conjures up images of romantic canals, rolling hills dotted with vineyards and ancient ruins whispering tales of emperors and gladiators. From the snow-capped Alps to the sun-drenched shores of Sicily, Italy is a feast for the senses. Whether you're drawn to its rich history, vibrant culture, delectable cuisine, or breathtaking scenery, Italy offers an unparalleled tapestry of experiences. We'll wander through the Colosseum, imagining the roar of the crowd and the clash of gladiators' swords. We'll get lost in the labyrinthine streets of Venice, where gondolas glide beneath ornate bridges, and the air is thick with the scent of fresh-baked pastries. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to discover the magic of Italy. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first trip to Italy, this video is your guide to experiencing the best of what this enchanting country has to offer. Welcome to Rome, a city that needs no introduction. For centuries, Rome has captivated travelers with its unique blend of ancient history and modern energy. It's a city where you can wander through the ruins of the Roman Forum in the morning and enjoy a plate of fresh pasta and a glass of local wine in a bustling trattoria at night. Our journey through Rome begins in the Colosseum, the largest amphitheater ever built. Imagine the roar of the crowd as gladiators battled for glory, or the awe-inspiring sight of mock sea battles staged within its walls. Today, the Colosseum stands as a testament to the ingenuity and engineering prowess of the Roman Empire. Just a stone's throw from the Colosseum lies the Roman Forum, the heart of ancient Rome. Here, amongst the ruins of temples, basilicas, and government buildings, you can almost hear the echoes of senators debating, citizens bartering, and emperors delivering rousing speeches. Venture into Vatican City, the smallest country in the world and the spiritual heart of the Catholic Church. Marvel at the grandeur of St. Peter's Basilica, a masterpiece of Renaissance architecture, and be sure to visit the Vatican Museums, home to an astonishing collection of art and artifacts spanning centuries. As the sun begins to set, make your way to the Trevi Fountain, one of Rome's most iconic landmarks. Toss a coin over your shoulder into the fountain's waters, ensuring your return to this captivating city. For a taste of Roman nightlife, head to the Trastevere neighborhood, a charming warren of cobblestone streets lined with restaurants, bars, and artisan shops. Here, you can savor the authentic flavors of Roman cuisine, from hearty pasta dishes to delectable pizzas. Enjoy a gelato while strolling through Piazza Navona, or sip an espresso at a sidewalk cafe watching the world go by. Rome is a city that stays with you long after you've left its cobblestone streets behind. From the grandeur of Rome, we travel north to Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance. Nestled in the heart of Tuscany, Florence is a city where art and culture are woven into the very fabric of its being. It's a place where masterpieces by Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, and Botticelli adorn museums and churches, and where the legacy of the Medici family, patrons of the arts, is still palpable today. Our Florentine adventure begins at the Duomo, the city's iconic cathedral. Its massive dome, designed by Brunelleschi, dominates the skyline, a testament to the architectural ingenuity of the Renaissance. Climb to the top of the dome for breathtaking panoramic views of Florence. Just a short walk from the Duomo is the Galleria dell'Accademia, home to Michelangelo's David. Standing at an imposing 17 feet tall, David is a masterpiece of Renaissance sculpture, its perfect proportions and lifelike details a testament to Michelangelo's genius. Cross the Arno River on the Ponte Vecchio, Florence's only bridge spared from destruction during World War II. Today, the bridge is lined with shops selling jewelry, leather goods, and souvenirs, a tradition that dates back centuries. For art lovers, a visit to the Uffizi Gallery is a must. Home to masterpieces by Botticelli, Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Raphael, the Uffizi offers a comprehensive overview of Renaissance art. As the sun begins to set, make your way to Piazzale Michelangelo for breathtaking views of Florence. Florence is a city that will captivate your senses and inspire your soul. Chapter 3. Venice, the floating city. Prepare to be enchanted as we journey to Venice, a city unlike any other. Built on a lagoon in the Adriatic Sea, Venice is a labyrinth of canals, bridges, and islands, a testament to human ingenuity and a haven for romantic souls. Forget about cars and buses. In Venice, the primary mode of transportation is by boat. Glide along the Grand Canal, the city's main thoroughfare, in a gondola passing beneath ornate bridges and past grand palazzi. Our Venetian adventure begins in St. Mark's Square, the city's beating heart. Marvel at the Byzantine splendor of St. Mark's Basilica, with its shimmering mosaics and ornate facade. Climb to the top of the Campanile, the bell tower, for panoramic views of Venice. No trip to Venice would be complete without a gondola ride. Let your gondolier guide you through the city's narrow canals, serenading you with traditional Italian songs. Escape the crowds with a visit to one of Venice's quieter neighborhoods such as Dorsoduro or San Polo. Here, you can wander through charming streets, discover hidden courtyards, and stumble upon artisan workshops. For a taste of Venetian art, visit the Peggy Guggenheim collection, housed in an 18th century palazzo overlooking the Grand Canal. The collection features works by modern masters such as Picasso, Dali, and Pollock. Indulge in the Venetian tradition of cicchetti, small snacks or tapas, served in bars known as baccari. These bite-sized delights are the perfect way to sample a variety of Venetian flavors. As the sun begins to set, make your way to the Rialto Bridge, one of Venice's most iconic landmarks. Venice is a city that will capture your imagination and steal your heart. Chapter 4. Tuscany, a feast for the senses. From the canals of Venice, we journey to the rolling hills of Tuscany, a region that embodies the essence of Italian beauty. Picture yourself driving through vineyards bathed in golden sunlight, medieval hilltop towns perched atop verdant hills, and cypress trees lining winding country roads. Tuscany is a feast for the senses, a region where art, history, and culinary delights intertwine to create an unforgettable travel experience. Our Tuscan adventure begins in Pisa, home to the iconic Leaning Tower. Snap a photo of yourself holding up the tower, then explore the rest of the Piazza dei Miracoli, home to the stunning Duomo and Baptistery. Next, we'll journey to Siena, a medieval city that seems frozen in time. Wander through its labyrinthine streets lined with brick buildings and adorned with colorful flags. Be sure to visit the Piazza del Campo, Siena's shell-shaped main square, and witness the excitement of the Palio, a bareback horse race held twice a year. No trip to Tuscany would be complete without experiencing the region's legendary wine. Head to the Chianti region, a land of rolling hills covered in vineyards, and sample the local Sangiovese grapes. Enjoy a wine tasting at a local vineyard and savor the flavors of Tuscan cuisine paired with world-class wines. For a taste of Tuscan life, visit San Gimignano, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its well-preserved medieval towers. Tuscany is a region that will captivate your heart and soul. Chapter 5. Amalfi Coast, a coastal paradise. Prepare to be captivated by the Amalfi Coast, a breathtaking stretch of coastline that clings to the cliffs of southern Italy. Imagine pastel-colored villages perched precariously on cliffs overlooking turquoise waters, winding coastal roads offering breathtaking views at every turn, and lemon groves scenting the air with their citrusy aroma. The Amalfi Coast is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a paradise for those seeking natural beauty, cultural immersion, and a taste of la dolce vita, the sweet life. Our journey begins in Sorrento, a charming town perched on a cliff top overlooking the Bay of Naples. Explore its narrow streets, lined with shops selling local crafts and limoncello, the region's famous lemon liqueur. Take a boat trip to Capri, an island known for its stunning natural beauty and glamorous history. Next, we'll wind our way along the Amalfi Coast Road, one of the most scenic drives in the world. Be sure to stop at Positano, a picture-perfect village of pastel-colored houses cascading down the hillside to the sea. Enjoy a leisurely lunch overlooking the water and soak up the vibrant atmosphere of this charming town. Continue along the coast to Amalfi, the region's namesake town. Visit the Duomo di Sant'Andrea, a striking cathedral with a Moorish-influenced facade, and explore the town's charming piazzas and narrow streets. For a taste of adventure, hike the Path of the Gods, a scenic trail that offers breathtaking views of the coastline. Indulge in the region's culinary delights. Sample fresh seafood, savor the flavors of pasta with clams, and indulge in a scoop or two of gelato made with locally grown lemons. The Amalfi Coast is a destination that will stay with you long after you've left its shores. From the ancient ruins of Rome to the romantic canals of Venice, from the rolling hills of Tuscany to the breathtaking Amalfi Coast, Italy offers a treasure trove of destinations waiting to be explored. Whether you're drawn to its art, history, culture, or simply its undeniable charm, Italy is a destination that will captivate your senses and leave you with unforgettable memories. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your Italian adventure today. Whether you're dreaming of a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or a solo adventure, Italy has something to offer everyone. Immerse yourself in the magic of this enchanting country and discover why Italy has captured the hearts of travelers for centuries. For more travel inspiration, subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. Happy travels! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more travel content.